Jinns have been in every single body, right? Are you scared of jinns, guys? No, you're not. You know why? Because jinns come in our bodies every single day. They do. Every single day jinns come. In fact, when you wake up for Fajr, you've got a jinn that's already tied, a shaitan that's already tied 3 knots over your head. Just over that part of your head, tied 3 knots. Every human being, especially the ones that want to wake up for Fajr. There's a specific group of shaitans that are just after making us miss Fajr Salah. So if you missed your Fajr Salah this morning, you had a group of jinns that came to your house and they basically did their little job. So what they do is they tie 3 knots, and when you wake up they say, Nam nam alayka laylun taweel. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said this to us, it's a hadith in Muslim, that you sleep, you've got a long night. And Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said he'll carry on doing this until he's made you miss your Fajr. He says, if the person gets up, فَذَكَرَ اللَّهِ, if the person remembers Allah, they say, Alhamdulillah, alladhi ahyani ba'da ma amatin. Whatever dua, whatever dhikr they do, any form of remembrance of Allah they do, 1 knot is untied immediately. Next one is they basically go and perform wudu. If they perform wudu, another knot is untied immediately. One of the key things in the wudu that we do to try and get the influence of the shaitan away is to rinse the nose properly. Now a lot of people don't do this sunnah properly. When you rinse your nose, have you seen some people rinsing the nose with wudu? They just grab them and go. There's a bang there, nose 3 times with water. That's not rinsing your nose. Some people just get water and just go straight on top of their nose. That's not rinsing your nose. It's in the inside. Okay, so some people, what they do, their rinsing of the nose is just basically grab some water and just stick it up in there, stick it up in there, that's it, they've rinsed their nose. And some other people, they want to basically, do the classical one, yeah? You better not watch, brothers. Yeah? And then release some explosion from their nose. Yeah? Be careful, brothers. There's other brothers doing wudu, yeah? Make sure he doesn't fall over him, he's got his clothes over there as well. I don't like, you're just trying to do wudu in the wudu area, right? You got some brothers who are trying to do wudu. I think, are you doing wudu or are you making me do wudu? Because he's half over your jubba, whatever, your trousers, yeah. And when the guy basically does a classic one, you just basically want to make sure that he doesn't blow it all out onto yours, clothes or something. So anyway, the sunnah regarding this, and this is very important because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that فَإِنَّ الشَّيْطَانِ يَبِيتْ فِي خَيْشُومِهِ. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the shaitan sits just at the end of your nostrils, within just your nose. He sits there throughout the night because you're in forgetfulness, you're not in a state of dhikr. And to get the influence of shaitan away is to take water to snuff it up to the bridge of the nose, and then to sniff it out, both sort of parts. So to take some water in is one sunnah, to take and blow the water out is the second sunnah. Both these sunnahs complete cleansing the nose at the time of wudu or ghusl, at the time of performing ablution or having a bath. So that's the second one. The third one the hadith says is that the person prays. When you pray 2 rakats, the last knot that is there will actually be untied.
Are you tired of all these annoying ads on YouTube? Are you worried that a haram video might pop up? Well, the One Islam TV app is here to solve these problems, insha'Allah. The One Islam TV app is 100% free of any ads and is safe to browse for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. Watch videos on demand or download videos and watch offline. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 to 4 new videos uploaded daily, insha'Allah. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means a small amount you pay for your subscription is a sadaqah jariyah, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, insha'Allah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.